Welcome back with FIFA Boss, and today I'm gonna be doing a Taki challenge. And there's some new Takis in Mexico, like the guacamole, that's new, and they have put lemon, tapatio. And now my grandpa just came back from Mexico, and he brought me the Takis Cobra. These are like I already ate some. This is how they look close. Let me go. These look like this. Takis. So, look. We got lemon. And it says muy picante. I don't know if you can read it in the back. It says muy picante. But it doesn't taste hot in the first part, but like in the last part, it tastes really hot. And when you lick your finger, it's worse. I'll pull out one more. I'm gonna eat one more. These are really hot. Look, I don't know if you can see it. That means like they're really hot. Look, see all those crumbs? Look. How many? Because I'm gonna take this bag tomorrow to school. And you know, really Mexicans are used to chile. Americans are not really. Oh, some white people will be, but like a lot of Americans don't even stand like 7 bites. But Mexicans are like the best Mexican eaters with chile. And I'm a Mexican, so you know. Yo sabe comer chile y takis con el cobra. That's Spanish. That means I know how to eat takis, the taki bag of cobra. I was supposed to get these, the taki fuego, and this one. I don't know if you can see it. That one. It's called, I forgot what it's called. Takis Hookenamas. Something like that. And it gives you a free ticket. Look. If you're Mexican, make sure your grandma goes and buys these. These are really good. So please link in the description and tell me what other video I could do and what other Taki to show. I couldn't do a challenge because my mom didn't let me finish the bag for tomorrow. Sorry. And please description and down below, and hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell. Okay, like that. Bing. That bell. Ding. And the video. Boom.